Israel used precision ammunition to murder Palestinian journalists who were in their tent. One of them was Anas. I've been watching him relentlessly cover his own oppression and genocide for a year and 8 months. The IDF put a target on his head. Western media refused to cover it. So many outlets refused. He was an amazing human being. And I'm so angry. I've never met him before, but watching him every day cover this, while he knew that he was missing out on a life with his children, a life with his wife and his mother. He covered everything, especially in northern Gaza. It's part of the reason they wanted to murder him, is because he was so fantastic at what he did. Every soul that is stolen by the US tax dollar funded IDF clown show, every soul that is stolen is precious. But this one hurts really bad, and I know that people all over the world are hurting because of his murder. And especially the Palestinian people. Again, the Palestinian people suffer the most. And for no reason other than racism. And Israel's refusal to be human. Zionism is poison. And Anas was just too good at showing the world that poison. So they had to take him because he was showing the truth all the time. He never rested. The world will miss him. The world will miss him a lot. He was a journalist, and every goddamn Western journalist needs to think long and hard about your privilege and how you want to go about this. What do you want to say? How do you want to do your job? Speak up. Everyone needs to speak up. It's so fucking overdue. It's like There are like over 30 starving families in my Instagram inbox who haven't eaten in a week or more. And Anas's murder is just going to push me to show up even harder and speak out against Israel. Anyone that does not hate everything that their government stands for, everything their government is doing, anyone who doesn't hate that, you've lost your humanity, and you'll never get it back. I never imagined I would ever see something like this on my phone screen, every day. So many thousands of children on my screen. And those were the visible children, not including the ones covered by the rubble. And so many of y'all just stayed fucking silent. The world will not forgive you. I don't even know if God will forgive you. Just thinking about Anas and his family, and we have to keep pushing for visibility, sharing, talking to people, gathering. Because, yeah, it already sucks being in the US under Trump right now. But you can't even compare. You can't compare anything to what's happening in Gaza, other than the literal Holocaust. They fucking killed him. If you haven't already done so, just type his name in, see what everybody's saying. Look at his work. I'm so sorry that the world failed you and us. But nobody will ever forget you. I'm sending love to anyone that sees this and needs the love or cares about the liberation of Palestinians. They have to be free. It's so evil.